Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where Windows 11 is not fitting on the screen, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So before anything else, right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. And then you can go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select display. Okay, now make sure that the scale is selected at the recommended value and the display resolution is also selected at the recommended value. Now, why do I say recommended value? Why don't I state a certain value? Because in some situations, the scale may be 100%, and some it may be 150% and so on. But you have to select the recommended value only. And if this doesn't work, then straight away update the graphics card drivers, all of them. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager. Expand the list for display adapters. Right click on the first one and update the drivers. Right click on the second one and update the drivers. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.